Hello and welcome to Petals Productions. It's time to wake up already. Well, I guess I gotta turn off my alarm first. It's so annoying. It's so loud. There we go. Now I guess I gotta wake up. I'm so tired. Well, the sooner I get up, the sooner it'll be over. I wonder what I'm gonna wear. I don't want to wake up. I'll just sleep for 5 more minutes. Ooh, the toaster's ready. And I hope I didn't burn the toast. Yep, it looks perfect. Now I'll eat it with the rest of my breakfast. Oh, finally, that took forever. Wait a second. What is that green stuff on it? Ew, it has mold on it. I'm not gonna eat this for breakfast. I'll just skip breakfast today. It's not like it's much anyways. Let me just leave that there for someone else. First, let me put my water bottle in the bottom of my lunchbox and zip that one up. Then I have to put my sandwich in the top one, and then I will just carry it along with the rest of my school stuff. Oh look, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. School doesn't start until 8. Well, I guess I have an hour to do whatever I want before school starts. I guess I'll just wait outside of school because it's nice out and I can do my homework or play my phone or something like that.